All right, third graders, we're on Unit 22, Day 2. We are working on organization. Our rule is choose the best way to organize your writing to fit your topic and purpose. Please look at Activity A. You will see the different ways that you can organize your writing. We're going to read the ways to organize different types of writing, then read each topic and write the letter of the best way to organize the topic. So first, in the box, letter A is compare and contrast. That is when you group things by how they are alike and different. B is telling a story. When you tell a story, you want to write a beginning, a middle, and end. C is describe. You're grouping ideas and details together. D is explain how. That's when you put steps in the right order. Okay, let's look at the topics below. The first one says how to clean a fish tank. The word how tells me that things need to be organized in steps. So I'm going to put letter D, explain how by putting them in the right order. So write D on the line. The second one, the magic seahorse finds a home. That one, magic must be fiction. So that's telling me that we're telling a story. So I want a beginning, middle, and end. So please write the letter B. You try the next two on your own. So pause the video, try the next two, and then push play. Okay, let's check your answers. Ocean animals, the smallest and the biggest. The keywords smallest and biggest show that they're being compared. So I want to do A, compare and contrast. And the last one, what's in a fish pond? It's describing a place. It's asking what. So it's a description, so I want letter C. Now, looking at letter B, you see some graphic organizers. We're going to choose one of the topics above, and if you were going to write about it, which of the graphic organizers would you use to plan your writing? Let's look at the organizers first. The first one is a Venn diagram. Venn diagrams, as you know, are used to compare and contrast things. The middle one is more of a sequencing, so that could be used either to do a beginning, middle, and end, or to put steps in the right order. And the third one is more of a word web, where you're going to put different ideas into the different bubbles. So now choose one of the topics above and circle the graphic organizer that you would use. All right, part C. We're going to circle the words that end in EST under topics. Then we're going to write 2 sentences using those words. Okay, so if you look up above under topics, the third sentence down, or the third topic down, says smallest and biggest. Please circle those 2 words. Now use each of those words in a complete sentence. Don't forget to use a capital letter and a period.